Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. Welcome to all my returning viewers and subscribers. A warm welcome to you. So today I'm bringing a different video to you all. You know, my channel is about beauty and fashion now, so I'll be doing a little bit of sewing, but not with clothes today, but actually sewing some blanket, right? So I have four in this, two in this color and two in the pink, right? My bed is a king size bed, so I bought two in each because I need the blanket because you know it's cold time. But to how big the bed is, guys, you know, so I'll have to make them over. So that is where the fashion comes in. So I have to work up the fashion sense and decide, say, alright, I'm gonna cut one of the blanket. So piece is gonna be sewing on the longer side to extend the blanket so that it can be more bigger to fit over the bed. And as you can see here, I already cut one, right? So this piece will aid for the runner for the dresser, right? So I'll be making runner and pillowcase, right? Let me show you. So these are the two king size pillowcase, right? May have fabric no green, you know. So these are the two king size pillowcase, right? That I'll be making for the blanket. So two plus, as I said, a runner for the dresser, and this is the piece that I'm going to be using to extend the blanket, right? So it can be wider. All right, so stay tuned for that makeover. All right, there we go. So here we are at the sewing machine. So it already string with pink threads and stuff. So before you sew, make sure you check your stitches and make sure they are good. So I'm checking my stitch, right? Let me check the bigger one. Right, so I'll go with this one. I'll go with this stitch. Because guys, you know when you buy the sheet, them they use a big long stitch. And then your sheet them no last in a time. Yeah, I don't want that. Right, so yeah, so the stitch is good. Everything good so far. Women off, yeah. So I'm gonna be starting with the pillowcase, right? So I cut them in a particular way, guys, where I'll be just joining them. We just do the connection, right? So let us get into it. Remember to back stitch, right? Right, so we're going straight into it. Guys, I said I want to work with the smaller stitch, but I'm gonna keep to the wider stitch. Why? Because of the material, right? And it's not industrial machine, right? You realize it running more smoother. That's what I want. I don't need any chop. Right? bottom part, the bottom end. I'm sewing. Always remember the back stitch, right? Right, so I'm going to show you what I have so far. So we complete one of the pillowcase, right? And guys, remember now, I said we are working with king size. Remember now, this is king size. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing any design on them. I'm not sure, but for now, we are just sewing. We're just putting them together. Alright? Yeah. Right, so back stitch is what gonna keep your sewing in place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be zigzagging the end because this is not a serger. So I'm just zigzagging the ends to make sure they keep in place and they last for a long while. So guys, I have blanket like this that I used to buy before, right? And I must tell you the matter. Right. So guys, I'm just gonna do a zigzag stitch on the raw edge, right? No double up sewing, just a zigzag stitch, just to ensure that it's staying in place, right? That is enough. Right. I'm just ensuring that it's sewing good. So when I finish this, I'm gonna be sewing it down on the right side as well, where the connection is, because I want to ensure that it's staying placed properly. So guys, I'm doing a back stitch on it. I flip it and I'm sewing it down on the right side now, so that the inside could lay flat. So So I'm sewing on it, and the thicker part right here, so that it could lay flat. Right guys, so we are finished with the sheet set. Whew. Can't wait to show you guys. All right people, so we are finished. I'm gonna show you where the connection, where I did the connection. So this is where the connection is, and this is the amount of extra that is on the sheet, right? So this is it, this is the side, right? So you know, so you get the sheet extra now, extra wide. So this part of the sheet now is gonna be to the bed front where the connection is. So it's gonna be like a little style. I think I might put piece of ribbon to the front. I'm not sure. I'm gonna look if I have color that could go with it, or I buy a color that could go with it. So this would be the style for the front, and that would be the style for the front. So it will have a ribbon effect, and then I would put the, so this is the big king size. So this is a big king size blanket, guys, to cover the bed. And this is the runner for the dresser, right? This is the runner for the dresser. Very long. So it's enough so you get a piece of hanging piece. Why it look like me sew it inside out? Oh no, it's good. So this is the runner. And these are your two king pillowcase. These are your two king pillow. And the material is stretchable, guys. Right? The material is stretchable. Right? Yeah. But to me, it's like one of the blankets longer than one. So I think I might have to take in a little piece of this one. But yeah, it's finished. I don't know why this have so much length though. But when I pull it, I was saying because I pull it, but cause look, when we measure the two pillowcase, they are the same length. But when we let it go, it's different. Right? I don't know why. Because the material is stretchable, right? So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Tell me what you like about it. Would you use this sheet?